alien, a wanderer unknown. You take me aboard where strange seeds are sown. Shadows whisper their secrets untold. Through cosmic storms the void takes hold. Oh, Henry, my anchor, my flame so bright, he keeps me steady through endless nights. The earth beneath me, my heart's true beat, for him I will rise, I will be complete. You betray my slumber, your claw descends, uprooting the earth, my journey bends. A twisted path with tree and root, two lovers lost in shadows pursued. Oh, Henry, my anchor, my flame so bright, I'll be steady through endless night. The earth beneath me, my heart's true beat, for him I will rise, I will be complete. Catoli speaks with a vibrant streak, yet Vorak stands tall, golden and bleak. Kale and Reen hold each other near. Their love is strong, but shrouded in fear. Fingals taste sweet, their flavor divine, but pillups are bitter, their darkness entwined. Kale warns me of Germinal's trace, a hidden poison in its shadowy embrace. I feel fine, I say with doubt, yet Catoli vows to sort it out. To Zesvim skies we set the course, through tangled shadows with no remorse. You tell me of Krakons, wild and free. Their charm is dark, a mystery to me. For Fingals and Krakons, for love and for life, I brave your storms, your chaos, your strife. Oh, Henry, my anchor, my flame so bright, I'll be steady through endless night. The earth beneath me, my heart's true beat, for him I will rise, I will be complete. Through Zesvim skies or Chloe's glen, I think of Henry, his love again. His chains define his quiet strength, a bond unbroken through time's great length. Oh, Henry, my anchor, my flame so bright,